Okay, I'm back and see if we've got this straight here. There's my values for the East Coast counties, and now they're asking for the 5-number summary. So it's real easy, again, for once you get your way around this calculator. What we want to do is go to, after this is plugged in here, let's go back to stat, and then I want to calculate everything. So I'm going to go to calc, 1 over to the right, and then hit number 1 or enter, and then I got L1 that's calculated, and I want the 5-number summary. And remember what the 5-number summary was: the lowest value, the lower median, the upper median, and then the high value. So I'm going to toggle down and look at my minimum X, my Q1, listed as Q1, that's what it's called sometime, and on the calculator it is. I got my median, my Q3, and my maximum. So these are the 5 numbers right there that you see. All right, minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. And those are the values for the the East Coast counties. So we should have that on our calculators as such, that it is listed, and I can copy it right from the let's see, 140, yeah, there they are. So that's part B, and I've got them here. So we should have, you can practice with this, 104.60, 123.90, 131.50, must be the median, 141.50, and then 314.30. That must be the maximum. Okay. Wait a minute here. That's part B. Do I have that? Yeah, that's right. I'm okay with that. That's part B. All right. What's next? Okay, let's see. That's the 5-number summary for the East Coast counties. Choose the correct box plot for the East Coast counties below. That's number 13, number 4. No, we do have a continuation on 13. Now what they want is the box plot. Okay, on the box plot, I'll have to show you where that is as well. Box plot and whiskers. And again, this is on the, you look at our sheet here, and you've got the same copy though, but these are the box plots that they're speaking about. So what I want to do is I want to plug these in my calculator and pick out and match up the picture of which one belongs to which. So I got A, B, or C for number 13, and I want that box plot for that. So let's see here. Okay, let's see. I want to clear that. Let me start back where I was. And so for the box plot, I have to go to that. I'm going to use this stat plot key, color coordinated with the blue key here. So that means I want to hit second and stat plot, and I want to make sure all these are off here. I don't want anything on. And if you have something on here, let's see, I'll go to number 2, and I'll turn this thing on. That's how you turn it on. It's with the cursor. Go back out, and then when I go to second stat plot, I can see that it's on. See, but I have to turn that off. In order to turn that off, I want to go down to number 2, and then you can see it's flashing, and I want to turn it off by hitting the cursor 1 to the right. It's flashing on the off, and now hit enter there. Okay, and that'll turn that one off, the plot 1. Okay. Here I'm here, so let's go back out. And now when I go to second stat plot, they're all off. And let's say I'm going to use plot 1 here. So I'll hit plot 1, turn it on, back on. And now I want the box and whiskers. And it's going to be this one that's in the second row and the second column. So I want to cursor over there. I want to toggle over till I get there. 1, 2. Oh, I got to go down. And, oh, pass it up. There it is. So I'm going to keep going over, find my way there. And when it's blinking over the box plot, the one in the middle, that's the one I want. Hit enter. Okay, now we've got our X list, L1. That's where our data is, so we're okay with that. And the frequency 1 there, that doesn't matter. Okay, so everything's inputted how I need it. It's on. I've got it on the box plot. I think that's where it was. And now, I'm going to go back to that box plot. I think I have to keep it there. All right, let me keep it there like that. Okay, and now from here I want to hit zoom and then number 9. You can toggle down where it says zoom stat and hit enter. And there's your box plot and whisker. Or box plot, just say it that way. Okay, and match it up to the one that you have, and I think it was B. Looks like it from here. Okie doke. So try that out. If you need to go over that again, let me do it with you real quick. Go it over with you, and that would be stat. Just to check my values here, L1. That's where everything's located. So from here, I'm going to hit second, quit, go back to the blank screen. Now I want to use the stat plot for the box plot. Okay, let me get out of there again. Whenever you hit something and you're on the wrong screen, you want to get back out of there, hit second, quit, and that'll take you back out to the neutral screen. Okay, where we're headed for is the stat plot key for the box plot. I want to hit second and stat plot. Number 1, it's on already, so I'm just going to verify everything. I've got it on, everything's set as it was before. Okay, let's see if I can go from this screen to the zoom. If I hit zoom number 9, yep, and it's the same one. So I don't have to have that cursor over that middle box plot on that screen, on the stat plot key. Okay, so that was the end of that one. Or no, we're halfway through that problem actually. Because now what we've got to do is do the same thing for part, the Midwest counties, I should say. This one here. Finish up the Midwest counties for B. So if we did that, let me plug in our values for the Midwest county, and then I'll take you through and do the box plot and whiskers for that second part of problem number 13. 13 is a long problem. All right, but hold on.